and gentlemen, just a little bit of an update, or not an update, but a little bit of a short here. Always trying to improve what I can do for my customers, and I had to fix this unit. The seller that sold it to me, they kind of lied to me, and no, this is not its permanent home. I just had it sitting here out of the way, trying to fix everything, get it going. And I'm building on out back, since obviously I don't have room in my shop. I'm building out back, and it'd be a lean-to, and I'm going to pour a concrete pad and all that good stuff. But anyway, this is just something that I picked up, and for those of you, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of you that know what this is. That's a washing unit, you know, actually waiting for the water to heat up right now. But there that goes. And there that went. So, it's got enough pressure, obviously, it blows one of the heads over. But anyway, always trying to improve what I can do for my customers. And there we go. So yeah, I kind of sort of got it pre-rinsing, so to speak. It really don't do nothing unless the water gets hot. I got to have the right amount of soap in it. You know, these washers are awesome. You know, that's awesome to have something like that in the shop. You know, that's just a much better quality of work, I think, in my opinion. Solvent washers, you know, you sit there and you have to do your own thing. You know, that saves me labor right there. I can do the cleanup on the engine now while that washer is taking care of everything else. I'm gonna share this with you. So that's the first result. These are obviously the valve covers. So that's how that comes out of the washer. That's not me not touching anything. You know, and to me, that's plenty good. Unless you're going with a full-on commercial washer. I mean, the big washers that got a lot more pressure and all that good stuff. You know, that's about as good as it's going to get. I'm fixing to go out there and get the heads and all that good stuff out. Mind you, though, the water is not full-on hot yet. The washer that I got here has been modified, but never mind that. Only 2 burners of the 3 are actually working, so it takes a little bit longer to heat up. Anyway, that's what we got. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the intake. Again, very little interaction on my part. This thing was black. I mean, black to the point where I didn't even want to really handle it. That's the end result. You know, you're not going to get anything in a affordable line of parts washers where you can stick a part in there and now you don't have to touch it anymore. That's not happening. Not happening at all. I mean, there is going to be some kind of interaction. You're still going to have to do a little bit of cleaning, but for the most part, this is been cleaned up all over the place. It's dry. It's got no residue on it now, so that's how I like to work with parts, right there. Okay, and the other added benefit to it is, on your roll-lock pads and any of your shops, they know what I'm talking about, they won't clog up because there's no oil residue on here. So you barely touch it, and it does the job. There's benefits, many benefits to it. So that's good enough to go on. All right, last but not least, here is the head. I mean, compared to what they looked like before they went in, did a real good job cleaning it. Well, this is supposed to be a short, but not going to make it as a short. This is going to be a regular video now. So anyway, this is where we're at. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.